Weight loss motivation tips. Weight loss motivation is one of the major factors that deter people from losing weight. Staying motivated is difficult. There are days that you will feel discouraged and it will be hard to keep the goal in sight. There are a few things that can help. The plan you have for losing weight should be as much fun as possible. No one wants to do the same boring things repeatedly. If you are not a gym type of person, you're not going to enjoy going there to work out. Instead, think of some fun ways of doing this on your own. A few items of exercise equipment can be purchased and set up in your garage or basement for a home gym. Find a CD player or a DVD player and television and some workout tapes, and you have your own space. You can listen to music while you work out or follow the exercises on your favorite workout tape. Exercise with your kids. Go to the park and be a kid again. Climb the monkey bars, throw the Frisbee, play baseball or basketball, or enjoy a game of tag. Not only will you be exercising, but the kids will love the time you are spending with them. This is a great weight loss motivation. The same can be done when it comes to preparing meals. Let the kids help and create healthy snacks that all of you can enjoy eating. When setting goals, be careful about specific timelines. Everyone loses weight at a different rate. Saying that you want to lose 20 pounds by the end of the month is counterproductive. Instead, set a goal of sticking to a plan that will help you to lose weight for a specific period and then see how much you have lost. You may be surprised. This provides more weight loss motivation. Do not forget to give yourself credit when credit is due. When you stick with the goals you have set and when results are achieved, a little reward every now and then can help you stay with the plan. It can be anything that will help keep you motivated. Buy yourself a new dress or a book you want. Spend a little time getting a manicure and a pedicure. The rewards will be something you can look forward to and are great for weight loss motivation. Before you know it, you will be at a healthier weight and you'll feel much better as well. To learn cutting-edge motivation methods, strategies, and techniques, visit www.successpowered.com.